Hello guys, welcome back to Review Valley. Today I'm back with another interesting news. Right now, previously BGMI was banned in India for various reasons. After launching Battleground of India, now they launched this Battleground and they unblocked this. Now it can be installed in my device. You can see here. You can in my device. You can, just now I downloaded the BGMI and ready to play this BGMI in my mobile. And it was just now 2 days back I installed BGMI is in mobile, and as well as I am going to start begin the game right now. Over here is the new type of logo the BGMI hero is sitting on a old old vehicle, burn vehicle. This is the BGMI I'm going to install on my gameplay. The game is almost 1 GB. They took 1 GB of my memory, but to play this game, you have to have at least 5 GB to 10 GB space for various upgrades and everything. This is the technical news I'm going to tell you about. You can see here in Play Store, it was available in Play Store. Here is the Battleground Mobile India. Once again, Krafton has released this game to India. They're back with the Battleground. I think they come with a new theme, new style, new. There's so many new things are happening in this game. I hope you like this video. For more interesting such technical and educational videos, stay tuned. Subscribe to Review Valley. Have a nice day. Bye.